Today I received this Dot A Lot, No Mess, More Magic sticker activity set. Now this is the box it came in. I did receive this, and in exchange for this review, let's go ahead and open this up and see what it all comes with. So when you open the box, first thing you're going to see is this cute little unicorn toy here that it comes with. You could just have it next to your sticker book and kind of play along with it. What it's going to come with is 8 theme baseboards, 32 sticker sheets, and then as you saw, that little play pal, the unicorn friend. I'm just going to go through these baseboards real quick just to show you the different scenes. Now the idea on these stickers is to match up the colors. It really helps with, getting the right colors into the right spots. Like here's yellow. I actually don't see any yellow on this one. Let's look at this one real quick. So here they are, and you would just match up the colors right here in this wing. Let's go ahead and look at the different stickers you get. It's just the coordination of putting these colors in the right spots on those boards. So these are all solid colors. And then you're going to have some glitter stickers here. Just a really cool activity to do with people that love stickers and just educational. So the idea here is just to put these dot stickers in the empty spaces. I'm really excited to give this to my niece and nephew. I want to see who really gravitates it to most. One's almost 2 and one is 5. And according to the ages, 3 to 7. But look at this, 3,000 stickers. So I really hope this information was helpful on what you get in this activity set, and I hope you'll have a great day.